Hey everyone, we're here at the Milford Proving Grounds thanks to GM. Really appreciate their generosity and letting us come and check out their facility and check out their new products. Stick around as we go inside for the first time to check out what they have on offer today and what might be coming in the future.
And now for our last activity for today. The truck you're looking at right now is another surprise that GM had up its sleeves. This truck has set a record for the most mileage of an EV truck, maybe any EV actually, and it set a record of 1,000 for an extended duration of time, and it still set a record, I think, with maybe some miles left on the table if they ever wanted to do it again or had to do it again. They were not using AC at first, but over time, towards the end, when they realized they were going to get the record anyway, they started using AC a little bit. They inflated the tires pretty high within spec of the car, but as high as they can go within spec. And they also had some slightly worn tires on there to give it a bit more smooth rolling resistance. So less rolling resistance helped out a lot. And I think it was done fairly recently here in July, so probably somewhat warm temperatures, not too hot, not too cold. I was really impressed the GM had pulled this off, and also impressed that they were able to share it with us today.
To Death Valley.
And one more awesome tidbit, the truck printed its own trophy on a 3D printer powered by its front outlets. So that's another feather in the cap for this truck and the GM Silverado EV.
Thank you very much for coming out. We were all extremely excited to peel back the curtain a little bit, let you see some different areas of development, how we bring everything together, right, to get a product out there. Hopefully you enjoyed it. That's going to be it. We're going to be real quick, get you out of your way. If you got any questions, we'll hang out for questions. Thank you. Thank you.
Well, that's it from day one of our GM Proving Ground experience. Tomorrow we'll be driving to Pontiac to go to the propulsion lab and test center, so we're going to check that out tomorrow. But for now, farewell, and we'll catch you guys in the morning.